All right, guys, now we're going to spend some time doing two-step equations. These are a little bit harder. Sometimes when solving equations, it takes more than one step to get the variable isolated. Now, when that's the case, you have to do things in the right order. And actually, when you're solving equations, it's undoing the order of operations. So it's actually backwards. So when you're solving an equation, you know how order of operations is PEMDAS? When you're solving equations, you actually do the steps backwards. So you actually do the addition and subtraction first. Then you do the multiplication division second. And then you deal with any parentheses and exponents last. Okay, so it's kind of backwards. So I'm going to draw the arrow going this way, backwards. I'll show you what I mean. So look at number one. We have, when we draw the wall, we have a dividing and an adding. And we need to undo both. But we have to do it in the right order. So we have to undo the addition and subtraction first. Okay, so first we need to get rid of this 5. To undo a plus 5, we minus 5 from both sides. Okay, and those cancel. And now we're left with x over 2 equals 6. And now we can undo the division by 2 by multiplying by 2. The inverses always cancel, and x is going to be 6 times 2, which is 12. All right, number 2. Now this one's different. Whenever you have like terms, you always want to combine them right away. So right away, let's combine what's 7x minus 3x. Let's just do that, and let's just call it 3x equals 21. And now, this is only a one-stepper. To undo multiplying by 3, we divide by 3. And the undoings cancel, and we have x equals 7. All right, number 3. Let's do a couple more together. So number 3, we're going to draw the wall. Now, what do we do first? Do we want to undo the multiplying by 5 or the adding 9? Well, first we do the addition subtraction. Remember, it's backwards. So first, we're going to minus the 9 over. Undo it. And then we have 5x equals 24 minus 9 is 15. And now we're going to undo the multiplying by 5 by dividing by 5. All right, and the undoings cancel. And there you go. X is 15 divided by 5, which is 3. All right, let's keep going. Number 4, draw the wall. Again, addition, subtraction first to undo. So to undo minus 4, we plus 4 to both sides. Okay, these cancel. So now we're left with 4y equals 20. And then to undo multiplying by 4, we divide by 4. And again, the undoings cancel. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. Now, here's where I would have you guys pause the video and try 5 and 6. Okay, so now that you guys have tried it, let's go over it. Just because it's written backwards doesn't change a thing. So draw the wall. Addition and subtraction first. We're going to add the 7. Okay, those are going to undo. Negative 1 plus 7 is 6. So we have 6 equals z divided by 3. And now to undo dividing by 3, we multiply by 3. Okay, and the undoings cancel. 6 times 3 is 18, so z equals 18. All right, and last one, number 6. Now, this is one of those ones where we have like terms. So why don't we just do that right away? Combine like terms. 5D minus 9D is negative 4D. And then let's draw our wall. To undo multiplying by negative 4, we divide by negative 4. Okay, and the undoings cancel. And negative 16 divided by negative 4 is 4. So D equals 4. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Now we'll practice.